Hey, how's everybody doing? This is a splitter that I was using to send a signal to my projector, and I also have it going to my touch screen. Now, I don't know if y'all understand how this works, but when you hook up multiple outlets to one of these or to a two-part splitter, it's going to downgrade everything to the lowest resolution. So if you got an old 720 TV projector you hook up, it's going to downgrade everything to that. So y'all, the monitors and everything will be low. And so let me show you what that looks like here on there. I got the screen capture going, so you should be able to see it on that. I'll just put it in. Screen 2 is my golf screen, okay? And that's it right there. So we're going to go down and look at the effect and what it's reading. Now what we're getting on that thing is we got a 3460 by 2160. Now that's a custom resolution I done to fill my screen up, because my screen's 100 tall by 120 wide. Yeah, so yeah. Got what we got, only had more spaced. So, but yeah, so that's in there, and you see how that is. And so we got 3460, 2160. Now, it's showing on this display. I got one display, but there's two on there. The touch screen's on the same thing. Now it's running at 1080, but it's it's clean, so it looks good. So let's go look right quick, see what we got. Okay. Touch screen is right here that I use to control everything. So y'all see what we got? 1 and 2. Now 1 is my main monitor the computer I'm working on here, and it's just got 1080, 1920, 1080. And then my big one right here, that's the one that goes to the projector, and it's up at, like I say, it's running in 4K, 3420/160. Got it? Now, we're going to change the wires right quick. So I'm going to take a second. Y'all hang on, let's do it. Power to it there. I'm going to take the output coming out of my computer, and then into the input side. Okay, there we go. And we're going to take these. One of this one here goes to the touch screen. I'm going to plug it in here. I bet y'all wonder how I'm doing this in the dark. I've done it a bunch of times. Then we're going to plug this one in here for the projector. Okay, and we got them all plugged back up. Now, we're going to see what it did. Okay, y'all ready? You ready to see what happens? Let's go look. So, now you see I got a little screen and a little screen, right? Well, the little screen up there, that's the one going to my projector, and guess what? It's now in 1080. Yeah. So, the splitter you use makes a difference. Now, the splitter I use to make this work a whole lot better, and it works. And I'm going to put the link for it down there, but you can adjust. You put the signal in here, and you put power in right there. And then you got a little switch there that changes things. Okay, all that's in the instructions. And then this side, you got two little switches. One of them you can downscale, and one you can up, and you leave it at 4K. So one of these is at 4K, and the other one's downscaled to 1080. And it's able to pick them both up when I hook them to the machine. So we're going to hook this back up. We're going to hook power to it. Then we're going to put the computer coming into it over here. Okay, now, one of these is the projector, and that's going to be this one, I'm pretty sure. And the other one of these is going to be the 1080 for the touchscreen. Right? Got that? Okay. Now, everything just popped back up, right? I got my 4K back. And I still got 1080 there. And everything else is working like it's supposed to. So, let me show you real quick. The projector is in 4K. And it's not a great projector. It's a cheap projector, but it is working. And why did I go to the trouble to make sure it works in 4K? Because I'm going to get a 4K, and I wanted to make sure I could upscale and I wouldn't lose my upscaling. And then my touchscreen is right here that I use to control everything. So, by using this controller, I'm able to hook everything together and work at one time, so I can actually go up here and touch a ball and put a new ball like right there on the screen wherever I want it. I got a touch screen there that controls everything. Got my clubs on a little rack I built there. As good as it's gonna get, projector I've got, it will get better. And then everything over here is setting like it is. But like I say, the most important thing is, guys, you get the right splitter, you don't lose your 4K signal. Do me a favor. Come back next time. I'll try to give another little tip that might help somebody and save them some trouble. And you know, just little things like this I think help, because after a little time using this thing, I figured out a lot of junk that makes a difference. That's for sure. So, guys, hey, y'all take it easy. Remember, don't downgrade your resolution by buying the wrong splitter, because that's just not going to work. So buy the right one. Get you one to work, okay? Take care of yourselves. Be good. See you next time. And, yeah, Frugal Fixer out of the Blue Collar Simulator. See you later, guys. Bye.